Hey guys, I love doing this fun activity. This fun activity for slime. Check it out, the slime. It's so sticky. This thing is so sticky, and I cannot wait to see this. I love that. It's very cool activities. It is very cool activities. It's so nice and beautiful. It's so nice and good. Oh, check it out. How sticky is this slime is that? Mom, check it out, this slime. How cool is that? Yeah, it's so cool as that.
Hello, how are you? Good. Yeah, we're just getting organised. We just popped out to the supermarket, Coles and Lincoln, and I can bring it down. It's been closed for months, so it's such a hassle. Yeah, so, oh no, it opened yesterday actually, so we popped out and got a couple of things and went and collected the mail and then I was just back to you. So how are you? Good.
I love this slime. It's so cool activities. There's a lot of activities. I love that. And also made that. And also made it. I absolutely love this. It's turned to brown slime. How cool is that? How cool is that? I love this. The purple slime. So cool. That looks so cool. That looks so cool. And I love this slime. How long this slime is. Check it out. I cannot wait to see this. I cannot wait to see this. That looks amazing. That looks amazing. What is this? It has got colors. They put sticky, it turned into a color into a rainbow. I love this. I like to enjoy this. I cannot wait to enjoy this, but it's very amazing. It's very amazing of this. I like the blue slime. It's also nice. It's also nice. It is also nice. I love this slime, and it's so cool and nice. And it is so cool and nice. Oh, it's so sparkly. I love that slime better. How sticky is that? I can't believe it got sticky slime forever. Oh, how sparkly is that? It's so nice. It's so nice, that slime. It's so nice, that slime. Ooh, how red is that slime? Oh my god, how sticky is that? Check that out. How orange is the slime? That looks amazing.
There's a glass and a half in everyone.
Look at the shell slime. That looks amazing. It's so nice. I believe it's so nice and amazing about this. Look at the red shell slime. Red shell slime. Oh look, it's so amazing. It's so amazing. Oh, looks like an avocado slime. Excuse me. How cool is this slime? Look at this pink slime. That's so cool. Alright. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to watch on this. Make another episode of the slime. Bye. Don't forget to watch it again.